Stargate risks and potentials. Stargate. This big AI thing everyone's talking about. They're throwing a ton of money at it, like $500 billion, and saying it's going to change everything, from how we work to how we live. It sounds pretty amazing, but we need to take a step back and ask, is this for real or just another tech trend that's overhyped? If you want to find out, stick around, because we are going to break it down and see what Stargate can really do, its economic and environmental impacts, the role of domestic and foreign AI tech giants, and the potentials and risks of this massive $500 billion project. What is Stargate? On January 22, 2025, tech behemoths and strategic investors including OpenAI, SoftBank, MGX, an Abu Dhabi-based investment powerhouse, and Oracle unveiled their audacious plan, a $500 billion investment in artificial intelligence. This huge project wants to make the US the top player in the AI world. They plan to do this by building a massive network of data centers that will power all sorts of new AI technologies. To put it in perspective, this budget is surpassing even the inflation-adjusted cost of the Apollo space program. So it's not surprising that the Stargate project has ignited a blend of anticipation and controversies from both technological and political aspects. Economic impact. Stargate is planning to invest in transforming projects like leveraging AI to enhance national security and address real-world problems, like inventing drugs for preventing or curing cancer by implementing super powerful computers. The project is aiming to generate over 100,000 jobs, modernize critical infrastructure, and secure the United States' competitive advantage in the rapidly evolving global AI landscape. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, called this project one of the most pivotal technological endeavors of our time. However, skepticism persists within the tech community regarding the project's feasibility. Even Sam's ex-buddy Elon claims that they don't actually have the money. Environmental effects. But it's not all about the money. How about the environmental effects? Environmentalists are already worried about the huge amount of energy needed to run a Stargate's massive network of data centers. These facilities are projected to consume electricity on par with small cities, potentially straining local power grids and escalating energy costs for surrounding communities. The issue is, many data centers are located in areas that depend on energy sources with high carbon emissions. This is a major environmental sustainability concern. Although companies like SoftBank and OpenAI have proposed solutions like nuclear fusion and renewable energy, for now, it's all talk and there really isn't any concrete plan for doing it sustainably. China entered the chat room. And to make things even more crazy, China's AI game is getting strong fast. Just days after the Stargate news, Chinese AI startup DeepSeek dropped their R1 model, a super smart reasoning system that's even better than some of OpenAI's top models. The crazy part is that DeepSeek's R1 is amazing at solving tough real-world problems and doing crazy math stuff, all while using way less computer power than those big AI guys like ChatGPT. At least, this is what they are claiming at the moment. The breaking of the news sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley, prompting an urgent reevaluation of AI efficiency strategies. Even with the US's strict sanctions on advanced chip exports to China, DeepSeek appears to be doing great. This shows that smart algorithms and optimization can be more important than just throwing massive computing power at a problem. So maybe the message from China is that we don't need to invest in huge data centers to stay ahead in the global AI race. What do you think? Who do you think is right? Tech companies walked in. In the wake of Stargate's revelation, US tech titans such as Google, Microsoft, and Meta have escalated their AI infrastructure investments. Meta, formerly Facebook, announced a 70% surge in capital expenditures to amp up its AI capabilities, with Google and Microsoft following suit. Microsoft, which is historically a cornerstone supporter of OpenAI, has diversified its AI portfolio, pivoting towards open-source models accessible to the global developer community. This change in strategy could really mess with the money-making potential of AI platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT. Ironically, making AI open again. Sam and Elon may not be very happy because more open AI models could totally disrupt how they make money. Geopolitical aspects. Stargate's partnership with SoftBank and MGX shows that this project is a big deal globally. It reflects the United States' strategic alliances to remain the leader of AI advances. This also is a big opportunity for foreign nations. Japan and UAE, through SoftBank and MGX respectively, have emerged as formidable players in the AI landscape. Especially for the UAE, that was a smart move by leveraging their substantial financial resources to back cutting-edge technological innovations in the world. But there's a different side to it too. While some analysts think SoftBank and MGX mainly want to fund this new tech, others are worried about foreign companies investing in this area. They think it could give those foreign companies too much control over something super important, which is risky. A new job market. One of the biggest promises of Stargate is to boost the economy and create opportunities. A big part of that is creating 100,000 new jobs. By investing in new tech, infrastructure, and training programs, Stargate wants to build a strong job market that benefits everyone. The project promises extensive employment opportunities spanning data center construction, AI operations, research, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. Demand for highly skilled professionals in data science, machine learning, and AI ethics is expected to soar, as these roles are crucial for integrating AI innovations into business optimization, healthcare advancements, and educational reform. At the same time, the construction and maintenance of expansive AI facilities will generate thousands of blue-collar jobs, which will stimulate local economies. But there's a big problem coming up: getting current and future workers ready for jobs that will be all about AI and automation. This is going to take a lot of work and a bunch of new training programs and changes in education. We need to do this to close the growing gap between what AI jobs need and what workers can do now. These changes are also super important to make sure workers can keep up with the crazy fast changes in technology. We need to not only teach workers the tech skills to work with AI, but also help them get better at critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. Potentials. Beyond infrastructure, Stargate is poised to catalyze transformative changes across industries. In healthcare, AI integration promises to revolutionize disease diagnostics, accelerate drug discovery, and personalize treatment protocols. Advanced AI models will empower healthcare professionals to detect diseases at earlier stages, enhance patient outcomes, and significantly reduce healthcare costs. National security is another frontier set to benefit profoundly from AI, with enhanced capabilities in intelligence gathering, autonomous defense systems, and cybersecurity. AI-powered surveillance, predictive analytics, and real-time data processing will equip law enforcement and defense agencies with unprecedented precision in threat detection and response. Risks. So you can see that we are entering risky areas here. Intelligent surveillance of citizens sounds like a dystopian movie plot. The potential for AI-driven surveillance to erode privacy rights and enable oppressive social control is a major concern for the future of the society. Unchecked AI surveillance could lead to a society where citizens are constantly monitored, their movements tracked, and their personal data exploited. This Orwellian scenario raises profound ethical questions about the balance between security and freedom in the digital age. Despite its ambitious scale, Stargate is not without risks. To be successful in the long run, it's going to need a steady flow of investments. It will have to beat out tough competition from big AI companies around the world. And it will have to figure out how to do things in the most efficient way possible. Proponents argue that AI model efficiency can be improved with more computation, a sentiment echoed by some OpenAI researchers. However, DeepSeek's achievements challenge this assumption, raising a pivotal question. Is the relentless expansion of data centers the most effective path forward? Or should the focus shift towards refining algorithms and enhancing AI efficiency through innovative software development? It's important to find the right balance. And let's not forget about the global AI arms race that is accelerating right now. Stargate wants to position itself as the keystone in the United States' strategy to maintain its technological superiority. Yet, this rapid expansion of AI technologies must be balanced with ethical governance and sustainable practices. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace and reshaping industries from entertainment to education, points out to the importance of robust, future-proof infrastructure. Bottom line is, AI could do amazing things, but it must be built on a foundation that is resilient, sustainable, and ethically sound. Final words. As AI gets smarter and easier to use, Stargate's role in preserving America's AI dominance will face ongoing challenges. To stay successful, the project needs to adapt quickly to new tech, handle ethical issues, and make sure everyone can benefit from this new era of digital world. In the future, there will definitely be even better and cheaper AI, so Stargate will have to keep finding new ways to stay ahead and change its goals as needed. Ultimately, Stargate represents both a bold ambition and a calculated risk in the quest for AI dominance. The coming years will determine whether it fulfills its transformative promise or becomes a symbol of overhyped technological ventures. Staying ahead of the game means keeping up with the budget, global politics, and fast-paced tech changes. One incontrovertible fact remains. Artificial intelligence has emerged as the defining battleground of the 21st century, and the stakes have never been higher. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into AI, tech, and cybersecurity. Have questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.